The cinnamon challenge.
Cinnamon!
You ready?
Yes.
Take a paper towel.
She did a cinnamon challenge. Are you okay?
You got cinnamon all over the floor.
Get a close up on that cinnamon there.
Oh yeah, baby.
Oh, she's gargling.
Did I do it now?
Okay, okay, Taylor.
I'm having second thoughts about this.
Now, tell them what you did.
Ooh!
No, say what you did.
I died.
No, say I, Taylor, have finished the cinnamon challenge.
Taylor finished the cinnamon challenge.
Bye.